Today, I have a mask by Beauty Concepts. It's the Golden Glow, Vibrant Infused with Vitamin C Refreshing Mask. Like, it doesn't necessarily say it's a mask on there, which is kind of weird. But I've always thought that Beauty Concepts was kind of a weird brand, because they would like knock off other brands, but like this is something you'd see like in a Ross or a Marshall's, just like packaged together. Like I had like three more of these particular ones because it came in a set, and I don't think I've tried it before. I've had it in there for a while, like way before I even got anything else. I totally forgot about it. So I hope that it works. It's supposed to, like it says, or maybe it doesn't say. It doesn't say. Yeah, it deeply rejuvenates skin and, moisturizes, reducing the look of fine line. So obviously it wants me to clean my face and remove any makeup. I didn't have any makeup, but my face is always clean because I don't like an unclean face. I don't sit here and just go all day long. So, I just and then since I'm used to putting toner on with the other products, I put a bit of toner on. So yeah, obviously my face is gonna be great after this. And also, I read a little bit more on the package, and it says to rinse this off afterwards. Like, why would you clean your face and then clean your face again? I'm so confused. I'm supposed to leave it on for 20 minutes. I love the smell of it. It's very clean smelling, fresh and clean. Like, what the? Look at that, the cutout eye holes. I've never seen that before. The eye holes are little cutouts rather than just being straight up eye holes. Okay. Ooh, so small. Guess I've had this a little too long because it doesn't have a whole lot of moisture left. Oh, okay. I guess those do that. That makes sense. It's not really sticking to my face very well. Let me see the expiration date. It's good until next year, so what the heck? Is there just some more goop in here? Like, there's no access in here. This is it. So I guess I'll put some toner just to kind of hold it down because it's like literally coming off. And by the way, my toner, I use Thayer's as of right now. I still don't remember the original toner that I used before. I'll have to still look that up. I forgot. The only part that really has any moisture left is this part. Like, that's kind of sticky. Everything else is like almost paper dry. Like, it's a little bit, but obviously I had to put on toner to even hold this stuff on. What the heck, man? This is a scam. That's as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna try to leave this on for 20 minutes, but it's probably gonna fall off by then. So we'll see. It has been 20 minutes and this thing is virtually falling off my face. There's zero moisture left on this thing. So it's like, alright, cool. It's just, I can wipe my hands with it and still nothing is on my hands. What the heck? I mean, I did get a little bit of stuff happening here. Just a little bit though. But that's only because I put toner on, to hold it. And like before, just to hold it. I mean, I guess if that makes sense. But like it didn't do much. Like my face is still a little sticky as if something happened. But I don't know, I guess that looks okay. It works if you just want a little bit of, like just a little poop of moisture on your face happening. But that was really weird. Beauty Concepts. I think I have like a gift set or something that I put under my sink. I forgot about it. That's from them. So maybe I can do that. But like it's a 5 or 6 mask, and you're supposed to use one every day or something. I'll have to look at it again. But I'll probably review that one. And it'll be an all-in-one kind of thing. Because obviously it's a whole gift set. So, but yeah, this one was kind of disappointing. Subscribe!